I'm gonna do a review on the Jetboil Minimo. This is definitely hands down one of my essentials when I go camping, backpacking, anywhere outdoors. Even if I just go for a picnic or when I go fishing with my dad, I bring it with me just to give, you know, instant hot water when needed or when you need to cook food. It's awesome. I have cooked and eaten straight from the pot, which was wonderful. The lids itself is very was well made. There's a hole right here where you can just pour water, it doesn't spill everywhere. And you also have this area here where there's like little tiny holes, which acts as a strainer. So when you need to cook noodles and you need to strain water or whatever it is you need to cook that you need strained, you can pour from that side, which is amazing. So it comes with this little pouch, which also comes in handy because I can put in the extra accessories. Another good thing I like about this is that it ignites itself. Other thing I like is that it comes with a stand, so when you go to places where there's no stable ground, you can this one comes in handy. Another thing is if you don't have this, or if you need to cook with a pan or with a different kind of cookware, this can actually still be used because it comes with this. This is also very portable. Like this one changes in orientation like this, but it comes so handy. So you put it up here, it actually locks in place, so you just have to put it in and then twist it. Oh, I twisted it the other way, and then it locks in place, and now you can cook up on top, no problem. So, another feature that I like is the handle. So it's very easy to use. It makes it for easy pouring or when you have to eat straight from the pot. Another thing that it comes with is this. So this has measuring lines here. So a measuring mark, so it's up to 300 ml. So if you need to measure water, you can use this, or just to hold that in place. For storage, I usually do it like that because usually it's hot down on the bottom. Jets are, you know, fly fast, and so this also boils water fast, like faster than I used to bring that just like MSR stove that's just also very portable. It's just like the top here and that's it. It boils water like twice as fast. And before I bought this, my friends, I would start, you know, boiling my water, and they would also start theirs at the same time, and they would finish faster and they would eat sooner than me. And so because of that, you know, especially when you're out in the backcountry and you're tired and hungry, you just want to get things done right away. And so this really does the trick for me. One of the downsides for me would be, so that's one thing I don't like about this. It's sometimes it doesn't ignite. That's why I always bring a match or a lighter whenever I go someplace. Sometimes you just need to tweak a little bit here in the needle. That's where I find, and then it works and it ignites. Price point, it is very expensive, but I consider it as a really good investment. So yeah, that's it. So that is my review on the Jetboil. I would recommend buying this if you are always out and about and you're looking for something portable that you can just take with you anytime, anywhere. And if you're looking for something that boils water fast. So yeah.